Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Have you ever been in a conversation and suddenly in between your mind goes blank? Or you cannot find the right word, you're searching for the right word. You don't know what to say next and the conversation comes to a halt. You stop it then and there. Don't worry, this happens to everyone. Today, I will share some practical tips and some words and phrases that can help you keep any conversation flowing even when you feel stuck. Even in the middle of any serious conversation, these tricks and words and phrases can help you. Use fillers to buy time. When you get stuck, don't panic. Instead, use fillers. These fillers are words or phrases that give you time to think without making the conversation awkward. For example, you can use the fillers like well, you know, like actually, I mean, basically, so, let me think, let me see, etc. These phrases help you feel and make you sound more natural, like native speakers. I'll give you an example, a common example. Your friend is asking you, what's your favorite place to travel? And you want to take some time to think. You can say, let me think. I guess I would say beaches. I love the oceans. In the starting I said, let me think. And that is like I'm taking some time. I'm pausing but without breaking the flow of the conversation. You can do this trick if you get stuck in between. The second thing you can do is to ask a question to shift focus. If you feel stuck, asking a question can save you. It shifts the focus to the other person and also it feels like you are very interested in what they have to say. You can try questions like, what about you? How do you feel about it? What do you think? Etc. I'll give you one example. Your friend is talking about a movie. He said, I watched this amazing movie last night. Now, you don't have anything to continue. Like you are stuck. Now you feel like what to say next. So you can say it like this. Oh, really? What was it about? It shows you're curious, you want to know what the other person have to say and also you're shifting the focus to the other person. You are making him talk. The third one is to paraphrase or rephrase. If you're not sure how to continue, try paraphrasing or rephrasing. Try to repeat the part of what the other person just said. It gives you time to think and the conversation flowing. I'll give you an example. Friend, I have been learning English for the past 2 years. So you can say, 2 years? That's great. What helped you the most in your English learning journey? See, we took a part from his dialogue. Like we took 2 years and we are asking more about the thing he just said. The next one is some recovery techniques for awkward silences. Awkward silences happen to everyone, especially when you are learning a new language. The key is to stay calm because we have plans to recover from it. You can bounce back from a long pause, like you pause in between because you cannot find the proper sentence or you need more time to think. If you give a long pause in between, you can just say this. So, where were we? You're asking him, like, what did we just talk about? Oh, I just remembered. Or simply shift the topic by saying, by the way, I wanted to ask. After long pauses, you can use these sentences. Next thing you can do is to practice common scenarios. To prepare for real conversation, practice phrases. Practice those phrases or sentences you are likely to use. For example, practice introducing yourself or asking for help or talking about your favorite topic. Example, hi, my name is Naren and I'm learning English. Can you help me find the nearest bus stop? Practicing these sentences can give you confidence in similar situations. When you are in those situations, these sentences will help you to continue your conversation. Like when you're stuck or something, these sentences can help you keep that natural flow. And also you'll be confident because you know something. If you are lost or you want to find the nearby bus stop, you will have the confidence that you can speak to anyone because you know some phrases that you can use in that particular situation. Don't fear mistakes. Keep going. Remember, it's better to keep talking than to stop because you are worried about making a mistake. If you make a mistake, you can always correct your sentence by just saying, I mean, or say, sorry, what I meant was. For example, I went to the market yesterday. Oh, sorry, I meant the mall. You know what? Making mistakes is a part of your learning process. Don't let your mistake stop your learning process. So keep continuing. When you make a mistake, just say, I mean, or sorry, what I meant was. Use such sentences and continue your conversation. It's not that you make mistakes only in English. Even when you're speaking your native language, you tend to make mistakes. But you cover it up, right? You just say, oh, not that, this, I meant this. You will say something like that and you will escape from it. You don't bother about your mistake in your native language. Same applies to English because all these are languages. So getting stuck in a conversation is normal. But now you have the tool to handle it like a pro. The more you practice, the easier it will get. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.